guys, Alyssa with Outdoor Wicked Adventures. I am actually packing up to get ready to go pheasant hunting tomorrow. I am super stoked. I cannot wait. I have been trying. If you guys follow me, you know that I've been trying for the season. However, our friend's taking us out tomorrow, so I'm way more hopeful than I have been this whole season. Wanted to share with you guys though, we're taking our redodo battery and we're taking this little mini Crockpot. We're obviously going out early in the morning. I already have the car packed, loaded up everything but my gun and myself. So wake up, get dressed, load up with the guns, and we're gonna plug this Crockpot in to the redodo battery, go out, walk the fields, hunt, hopefully get lucky. Maybe we'll get blessed if we play our cards right. And then when we come back, we'll share a meal with our friend who's taking us out, Mark. So hopefully it'll work out how I want it to. We'll see. I got some cut up potatoes in there. Woo! Cut up butter. Packets of, what is this? Italian seasoning. Lipton Italian seasoning. Actually, I think it's onion soup. I'm gonna go with onion soup, but we're gonna put like half of it on there. Okay, so I have like half of it. You can see that. I already have opened my French style green beans, like shredded up kind. And I am putting that on top. We're using the little crock pot, but if you guys are cooking for like, you know, many more people, you feel free to use a big crock pot. We do it with the kids. We have like a million of them all the time. Well, awesome. Green beans on top of my taters. Gonna go ahead and get my chicken. Oh, no, River, leave that alone. Jeremy's cat's freaking attacking the rolls. I got chili going for tonight. This cat's being a little butt. Alrighty, so I am going to just beat these a little bit. Awesome. Also gonna cut that in two so it fits in my crock pot. Layer our chickie in there. Chickie. We are really stuffing the crock pot, but it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna cut up some more butter. A little more seasoning. Okay. And then our last chicken breast. Stuff the top, the rest of the crock pot. We're stuffing it because we're making it work. What are you doing, cat? I'm gonna freaking Oh, River. All right, put the last of our butter on there and the last of our onion soup. Look at that. Isn't that great? That's gonna be awesome. At least I hope so. Hope this battery idea works. So putting the crock pot lid on. All right guys, I'm gonna put this in the fridge and check in with you guys on the morning when we head out for our Outdoor Wicked Adventures hunt.
Baby, you're lucky enough.
Now we're going to get a burger. Okay, here we are. We made it to the field, but the little Crockpot's going. Lithium. It's a lithium. That's what it is. Then inverter. Like, I used to think this was so difficult, but literally battery hooked to the 300-watt inverter, and then you can plug in like your outlets, your little USB. And so we're having our Crockpot cook us some lunch while we go hunting. There's Mark. Hey, I started following a car that wasn't you. Jeremy was like, do you know that that's Mark? And I was like, oh, yeah.
All right.
They're still going to be running pretty fast, so like keep a good pace, but then we'll all just try to stay in line going that way.
All right.
Just follow the tree line.
All right.
Oh. Well, I think we both pooped our pants.
Yeah. Careful, this could be another one. So what's happening, that one we probably pushed all the way up to the edge.
Okay.
And then he flushed, so. Put it out and then cut back that way.
Okay. Alrighty. I'm reloaded. Oh, what happened here?
Hold it, Jam. Good.
Well, I'm not sure. It's not letting me eject. And so I'm not totally sure what happened.
Got your right eye open.
It happened so fast. I'm like, I don't know what's open.
There you go.
Thanks. Okay, so.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, hens will look like the same color as like the prairie grass.
Okay.
They'll be like tan and shit.
That's right.
Don't shoot those ones. That's good though. That means that we're pushing them into like a corner. And then they'll be bunkered down. So like that'll be kind of the theme is
like
the corners. Like you're gonna walk a long ways, and then the corners will be kind of where things get hot. I mean, there could still be one up here, you know.
Yeah.
So. Alrighty, back at it.
Okay, so it's a start. I would have had two if I was better aim.
You sound like me.
The devil. to the next field. This is not for the week. Ugh, it's so rough. Let's check on our chicken. Chicken. It's looking like it's bubbling. And it smells good.
That looked like a female. I think so. Because at first I was like, why did she shoot? And then it came over here. I was like, oh, I think it's a girl. Yeah. Yeah, I think it was a hen. The video will tell me. You alright, babe?
You're checking the battery. All right, so our battery is at, so what is that telling me? It's at 77% life. Yeah.
It's telling you how much wattage it's pulling right now and how long it will last being pulled at that much.
Wow. Okay, that's cool. I was nervous if it would run all day. I don't think I have to be nervous about that. That's cool. I pushed out, but Jeremy and Mark, they went to go walk this last field. Hopefully they get a pheasant, but still way more productive day than I've had when I go out on my solo trip. So I'm glad we're in this together, you guys. Thanks for sticking along and going on this pheasant adventure with me. But now we're gonna set up lunch. Man, the stuff we've done with this battery, awesome. Buttery deliciousness. Oh yeah. Let's get lunch served.
Did you have fun?
I did have fun. Learning experience.
Yep.
Eventually we're gonna get one. But today we gotta settle for Crockpot chicken.
And Mark's just a beast.
Jeremy made it back. Barely.
This cold's kicking my butt.
Barely made it back.
Oh, yeah.
It's juicy.
It smells good.
We'll see how this
Crockpot cooked
Crockpot
up.
adventure worked out.
Thank you.
Yes, here's some rolls too. They're like
Awesome.
it's the Hawaiians.
That was the best. It was a good day though. Yeah. Saw some birds.
I'm like, that was way more action than I.
Can't see him from the couch.
Yeah, it's just a spot.
No, I'm good. Now I'm full. We had to resort to chicken because I missed the pheasant.
Next time.
But thank you guys for coming along with the journey. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I at least took some shots this time. And I would have had them, but that is my fault.
And thanks to
my
Mark
game.
for taking us out and showing us some of his spots.
Yeah.
It was a good time. I'm sure you remember Mark from a video where he caught some big catfish with us. So
That was awesome.
that was a good day too. So
Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and go on this journey with us.
yep, stay wicked, y'all. It's cool just to get on a video. You'll get better.